Hi guys, welcome to Profit Redux. James, who is the owner of this product, has kindly let me have a sneak preview onto his into his product, and I'm just going to briefly go through it for you. So here we are on the main site where your training is. So there's three separate modules here. One is for your main training here. So there you go, all your modules are there, look. So it starts off by introducing himself in the introduction, and there's tons and tons of good stuff in here. How to promote your affiliate links. Basically, it starts you off from zero. If you're not earning any money online, this course will start you off at zero and get you earning $100–200 a day quite easily. So here's all your basic training here, and then your YouTube training is below that, and there's also some bonuses somewhere hidden away. Here we are, look. So if you buy this today, you will also get these free bonuses: list building video training, list building for profits, list building pitfalls revealed. Well, we all need some of those. The road to 50k mailing list. Well, that'd be nice, wouldn't it, guys? So yeah, that's all there for you as well in the free bonuses you'll be able to claim when you purchase the product. And also he's got some interviews with some pretty famous gurus down here, look. So all in all, well worth the money that you're going to spend buying this. It will teach you step by step, from start to finish, from zero money to making $200, $300, $400 a day, guys. This is a must, in my opinion. James is and has produced lots of training products in the past, and is highly recommended by myself and many other people on this platform. So take care, guys. Click the link below here to get your free bonuses, and make sure you get on it straight away because it's going to go up in price. It's only just been released. So get on this, guys. Click the link below. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Cheers. Bye.